Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make really easy blueberry pancakes using just these 5 ingredients, and they're low carb, keto friendly and gluten free too. And as always, I've written a blog post which I'll leave down below, which will have the full recipe and step-by-step instructions too, that you can pin, bookmark and save for whenever you want to make blueberry pancakes. And be sure to leave a like, subscribe for more videos, comment too, let me know if you give the pancakes a try. So let's chat through the ingredients really quickly. We've got ground almonds over here. You can use almond flour instead. It'll just depend, whatever ground almonds, almond flour will be either finer or more coarse pancakes. I've got unsweetened almond milk. I'm using stevia just to sweeten it up a little bit. We've got blueberries, which I got from Aldi the other day. They're on sale at the moment. I think they were 79 cents, so pancakes it is. And I've got some eggs too. So we'll just whisk everything together now. I'm going to start by popping 3 eggs into the bowl. And we'll add in half a cup, making a mess, we'll add in half a cup of almond milk, 1 to 2 tablespoons of stevia, just depends how sweet you want it. I went for 1 really heaped tablespoon there. And just all whisk it all together. Until it's nice and smooth like that. And then we're going to add in 1 1/3 cup of our ground almonds or almond flour, and we'll carefully whisk that in so we've got a nice pancake batter. You know it's done when the bubbles appear on the surface. So I'll swap to a spoon and we'll mix in the blueberries. So now it just depends how many carbs you want to allocate to your pancakes. I've gone for a good heaped 1/4 cup of blueberries. You can add more, just depends. You can use the whole punnet, depends how many carbs you want to allocate to your pancakes. And we'll just give them a stir through. Obviously with a 1/4 cup there's not heaps, but as I said, add more if you want them to be more blueberries in it. I'm just happy with each pancake having a blueberry or 2 is kind of perfect, yeah, for me. So now the whole time I've been filming, I've been heating up my stovetop because it seems to take ages to heat up. But make sure you've got a pan nice and hot and melt butter or coconut oil, and we'll get the pancakes cooking. So you can see my frying pan's pretty steaming, and I go for about 2 tablespoons per pancake. I'm making smallish pancakes, but you can make huge ones, whatever you like. So we'll just cook them until they're set on one side and flip them over so that they're cooked beautifully on both sides. So I'll flip the pancakes over, they're cooking on both sides, and once they're all done, I'll pop them onto a plate. So there you go, my pancakes are done. I popped another little handful of blueberries with them, but it's a beautiful pile of pancakes. They taste amazing. You wouldn't even notice they're low carb, keto friendly, gluten free, and they're just beautiful. But that is the video for today. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to leave a like, subscribe for more videos, and comment too. Let me know if you give this pancakes a try. So thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again soon. Bye.